gifted me an LV trainer. She showed me how the smart Kegel trainer works. It's incredibly strengthening the pelvic floor for better bladder control, faster postnatal recovery, and intimacy. LV is inserted like a tampon and visualizes pelvic floor contraction in real time through an app on your phone. The app guides you through fun workouts and tracks your progress. Within just 2 weeks, I already felt such a noticeable.
Hello! Let's set up your Luma Surround Wi-Fi system. In a few minutes, your home will be filled with fast, secure Wi-Fi you'll love. To get started, you'll need a smartphone, the network cable and power adapter that come in the box with your Luma, as well as your existing modem. Now download the Luma app from the App Store. Create your account, and then answer a few questions so Luma can start customizing your network. First, tell Luma how many Lumas you'd like to set up. Then tell Luma what kind of home you have, a single family, apartment or condo, or townhouse or other, and how many floors. This will help Luma create the perfect home network. Next, tell Luma where your modem is located. Plug Luma into your modem using the network cable and connect Luma to power. Now, restart your modem. Once you restart your modem, the light ring will spin blue as it's working to create your Wi-Fi network. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. A moment of zen, brought to you by your friends at Luma. The light ring will blink green to let you know your new surround Wi-Fi network has been created. From there, just follow the app as it shows you where to place the other Lumas for optimal performance. Now that they're set up, these powerful little Lumas will immediately start working together to create your outrageously fast, ultra-secure surround Wi-Fi network. That's wall-to-wall fast Wi-Fi. The Luma app makes controlling your network as easy as the internet makes everything else. And with built-in network security, plus the content control right in the app, you'll never have to worry about your network again. This is the future of Wi-Fi you were promised. Enjoy it. Everywhere.
Selfies, we love them, but no matter how hard you try, they just don't quite come out right. And who can live without the GPS in the car? You can never reach it when that important turn comes around. Trying to prop up your phone for hands-free driving is almost impossible. Until now, meet NanoHold. Nano suction for your mobile device, smartphones, and tablets. NanoHold looks simple, but with nano-suction technology, NanoHold material has millions of microscopic suction cups. NanoHold sticks without being sticky, so you can place your smartphone or tablet on many smooth, flat surfaces. Taking group photos with your phone can be as easy as a simple stick by using NanoHold with your phone. Now everyone can get in the picture. In the car, NanoHold makes any phone hands-free. Feels safe to chat with friends. Just stick and go wherever the road may lead you. Getting ready on the go is always a challenge. But with the nano-suction technology, NanoHold gives you an extra hand when you need it. Make it easy to give your recipe a look while you're trying to cook. Work on your car hands-free while still being able to see. Have easy access and never lose your phone in the piles on your desk again. NanoHold adds a new dimension to your smart devices. With revolutionary nano-suction technology, you can place your smartphone or tablet on many smooth, flat surfaces, leaving you hands-free. The ultra-slim profile of NanoHolds doesn't change the size of your phone, so it will still fit in your pocket or the side pockets of your purse. NanoHold, the nano-suction for your mobile device that will make the people in your life smile. NanoHold, simple and easy to use for your smartphone and tablet. Get your NanoHold today.
Do you ever wonder if you're overfeeding your pet? Studies show feeding your pet the right amount every day will help them live longer. But how do you know how much to feed them? Introducing the PetNet Smart Feeder, a new smartphone-controlled automatic pet feeder that feeds your pet the right amount of food each day. Using factors such as your pet's age, weight, activity level, and food type, the PetNet Smart Feeder will feed the healthiest portions at the right time, every time. With the PetNet app, you can schedule and monitor your pet's meals through your smartphone. Receive notifications on your phone for successful feedings or when your food is running low. Have the confidence to know your pet is being fed even when you're running late. And when you're away, the smart feeder connects with the Nest Cam, allowing you to stay connected with your pet. Nest Cam makes checking in on your pet simple when used with the PetNet app. Nest Cam will even send you a snapshot so you can see if your pets are eating every day. Go hands-free when you connect the smart feeder with the Amazon Alexa. Use your voice so Alexa can control the smart feeder for you. This is especially helpful for those of us who have dogs and cats that like to wake us up early when we're feeling hungry, or when your hands are occupied with chores around the house like cleaning. At PetNet, it's our goal to make caring for pets easier while ensuring that our furry friends are living to their full potential. So let's make sure we provide them everything they need for a longer and happier life. The PetNet Smart Feeder. Healthy pets, happy owners.